I'm super excited to finally be making this video. If you've been following me for any time now, you've noticed that I've been talking about options, how to make quick money. If you watched my previous video, I kind of explained how an option call gains its value and also how it loses its value, but you're still not sure how to go to the next step and actually use that information to actually start making money. So in this video, I just want to go over how to trade options on Robinhood. I kind of wanted to make this video kind of short just so that you guys see how you go on Robinhood and how you activate options and then how you actually go ahead to start buying them. I'm not going to go into all the details and all the variables that determine what the value of the contract is, how you make money, how you lose money with an actual option, but I am going to go over the big picture and show you how to activate options and how to actually start trading your first option. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the App Store, download Robinhood, then get it on your phone, then make an account and deposit some money, maybe like $100. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down in the home page. And I don't know if you see any stocks, but if you don't, you're gonna go ahead and click on the search button. You're gonna search up GME. GME is GameStop. I'm not saying to buy this stock. I'm just showing you this as an example. Go ahead and click on GameStop. Once you go ahead and click on GameStop, you're gonna wanna click on trade, which is this button down here. And you're gonna see the option to just buy. You're not gonna see this trade options. You're not gonna see that option because you have a new account. So what you're gonna wanna do is go all the way into the last tab, all the way in the bottom right corner. And this is your account. And then basically you're gonna wanna click on investing and you're gonna wanna scroll all the way down. And all the way down is gonna show a button that says activate options. And you're gonna wanna click on that activate options. Robinhood is gonna ask you what your risk tolerance is and how much experience you have trading options. And I don't know if it's gonna allow you to unlock this feature right away. You might have to trade for 1 month or have the account for at least 1 month before you can actually unlock this feature. You're gonna wanna put that you have a high risk tolerance and that you have a lot of experience trading options. This is gonna allow Robinhood to go ahead and unlock this feature for you. So now when you go back into the search button and you go back into GameStop, you're gonna click on trade. And now you're gonna see a brand new option called trade options. And now you're gonna click on it, and this is where things get super crazy. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to actually go ahead and purchase a contract and how to make money. Yeah, so let's go into that. For the purpose of this video, I went ahead and just purchased a contract from this company sometime within the week, and I recorded that previously. I did that just so that you guys can kind of see what that's like, what that process is like from buying and then selling it on Robinhood, okay? So over here, this was, I think, Wednesday, or I think this was Thursday, actually. So I went into GameStop, searched up GameStop, and I saw that it was going crazy up, and I saw there was a lot of hype on it. So I just bought a weekly contract because it was cheap and it was what I could afford. I want you to realize that it says 2,000% today. So if anybody bought this contract, like let's say like on Monday for like, let's say they bought it for 10 cents, this contract multiplied by 20 times. And that's why it says 2,000%. So you made a 20%, you made a 2,000% return on your investment. So if you invested, let's say $5,000, then you made 5,000 times 20. So I was thinking to myself like, okay, there's a lot of hype in this stock and it's still continuing to go up. So let me just do a quick little day trade and make some cash. And that's why I just bought January 15th, because I just wanted to get in and out just to show you guys like how it works, how to buy it, and then how to close it and how you can make money, okay? So over here, I was looking at the contract. I saw that the contract was $5.60, or at least that's what people were bidding for that contract, and people were asking for $5.75. But I had already been looking at this contract for quite some time, and I noticed that it was going up, and then it was also coming down. It was also going down. So I just put a price of, I think $5.40 or $5.35, let me see. $5.30, but then I just held it for a little bit, and then I saw that it went back up, so I was like, okay, let me just get in. So I put a price at $5.30. They were asking for in this case $5.70, but I saw that it just came down, so I knew it was gonna hit $5.30. So I put the contract in for $5.30. That's how much money I was willing to pay. And if you're wondering why I said $5, but I paid $530, it's because you're leveraging 100 shares of that company. So you're paying $5 for each share. And because you're leveraging 100, is 100 times 5, which is 530. Boom, it finally got filled at $5.30, which I paid $530. And right away you can see that I started making money, because I paid $5.30. Now it's at $5.40. I went into my contract. As you can see, we have options, and you can see that it says today's return $13 and total return $13. And then you see the GME 35 call with an expiration date of January 15. So if you want to get rid of the contract once you buy it, you're gonna go ahead and click on that contract where it says 543 and it has the arrow. You're gonna go ahead and click on that. Remember, I was just getting in and out because I didn't want to lose any money, because the stock was already so hyped up. And basically what happens is that a lot of people buy a whole bunch and then they just sell everything. And when everything is sold, if you don't sell your position, then you're gonna get caught on the dip and you're gonna lose a lot of money through the option. Remember, this contract has an implied volatility of like 400%. So that's like super high. So if the stock was going up, I was gonna make a lot of money. If the stock was going down, I was gonna lose a lot of money. So I just wanted to buy this contract so that you guys can see how to buy it and how to sell it. By sell it, I mean close our position. And then I wanted to get rid of it super quick. So I click one because I only have one contract. And then I was just waiting to see if the contract would increase in value. So I started to see that the contract started going up in value. So I said, screw it, I'm just gonna get rid of it because I don't wanna get caught on the dip. So I sold it for $5.70, which is $5.70. So I kind of basically just made $5.70. Yeah, I made $40 actually. What? Did I make $5.70, $5.70, 30, 40? Yeah, so I basically made $40 like in 1 second. And mind you, when I actually sold this contract, I started to look at the call option and it actually reached a value of $800. So I could have made like $300 within like maybe 1 hour. So that's just like how you buy it and how you sell it. And I know I didn't make that much money, but I just wanted to show you the possibilities of how you can make money really quick. I hope that you guys actually know how to trade an option, or at least you can see what it looks like or how it behaves, because I remember when I was first starting out, I wanted to see someone actually go ahead and buy it and then sell it so that I can see what it was like. And in this case, I bought an option call, and what a call means is that you're bullish on the company, and what bullish means is that you think it's gonna go up. So if you think the company is gonna go up, buy a call. If you think the company is gonna go down, buy a put. Just as FYI, I never buy puts just because I don't wanna gamble. But if I think a company is gonna go up, I will buy a call. If that's how you make fast money, yeah, it's kind of like gambling. I don't really recommend this strategy of trading. I don't think you should trade options for a living. I think that every now and then throughout the year, there's always great opportunities to actually go ahead and buy an option to make a lot of money. I don't think it's something that you should do weekly. I think that you should just buy something long-term and just hold it and just be on the lookout for those opportunities to buy options, okay? I hope you learned something. I hope that this tutorial was clear and that you got something out of it. If you did, hit the like, hit the sub, and leave a comment down below, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.